My name is Steve Peters with Peters Building Contractors in Houghton, Michigan. This is a site that we have in the city of Houghton that we broke ground on this past May. And we've reached a point where we are framing and siding the house, nearly complete with window installation and making use of Pettibone's new 944X. I had an opportunity to see the new pieces of equipment that they were bringing to the market, as well as an opportunity to see their manufacturing facility. Shortly after that, I was invited to participate in a rental program where we were delivered the 944X for use on our site. So in years past, we used an older Pettibone Telehandler 644. What was nice about the new machine is that they were using a lot of the same control systems. It was very easy for the guys to transition from the older equipment to the new model. One nice feature of the controls is how smooth everything operates. The new box construction of the boom was noticeably better. It was stiffer, more stable, especially under load and at full extension. Positioning of the machine was very easy with how smooth the controls were and the steering controls. We're building on a hillside, so the use of the articulation of the carriage has worked out real well for us. In addition to the rear axle stabilization has made a noticeable change with 4 points of contact. So shortly after delivery, the city of Houghton had a tremendous rain event. We received 7 inches of rain overnight. Our existing site is a fine sand condition. The soils do not bind very well. We are having some issues with traction and maneuvering the equipment around the site. I connected with Pettibone and they rather quickly came to the site to change the tires from a solid rubber tire to an inflatable tire. Made a dramatic difference in the performance of the machine and the way we were able to maneuver it around our job site. In our case, the 74 horsepower engine was more than adequate in terms of power. There was never an issue where we were unable to ascend a hillside or lift a load to where it needed to be. So the daily maintenance checks have been minimal. It's a matter of checking fluids. The machine has an air restriction gauge for us to monitor the air filter life. It's just a matter of lubrication and checking fluids daily.